How to upload full picture on Instagram without cropping it or without a white background. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Bimo from AppGuide, and in today's guide video I will simply show you how you can actually upload full pictures on Instagram. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. So first things first, you simply want to make sure you have updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can head over to your app store, in the search box type in Instagram, and go ahead and simply either download or update the Instagram app to the latest version. Once you've updated Instagram, I'm going to simply open it, and the next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. Now let me just go ahead and log into any of the accounts. Let's say for example over here, I'll try to upload and then show you a demo photo. So in order to do that, I will tap on the plus button. The issue over here is that if I go ahead and simply select any of the photos over here, let's say for example, let me just choose a random one. You can see some of the things are actually cropping the bottom part as well as the top part, and there is a way to work around this. That is to simply actually use this feature right over here, and it will upload it to the maximum resolution. At least you'll get a much clearer view. But then the problem here is that on the right hand side you'll be able to see this empty space, and if you're on light theme, it will generally show in white. In my case, it's showing in the dark themes. In order to fix this issue, there are a couple of ways. Now first thing you want to understand is that Instagram supports only 1080 by 1080 pixels on both sides. So here as well you need to have 1080p, and on the length and breadth you both need to have 1080p on the both sides, because that is simply the resolution that Instagram supports. And just because you see a white background over here does not mean it is going to show up on your feed. For example, you can see this maximum one right over here, which I have cropped it, let's say for example. But let's say I want to upload a full one by also showing the bottom part of the screen, and then if I go ahead and simply leave it as that and then tap on the next button, the thing you want to understand over here is that let me also go ahead and simply post it as well. Once I've also posted it, you can see it says finishing up. Now the thing you want to understand is that if I come to my profile feed and then reload my page, you'll be able to see the new post, but you will not be able to see the white backgrounds or the black backgrounds on the background of this Instagram feed. So if you go ahead and tap on it over here, you can see it will show in the maximum resolution possible. There isn't any type of white or black backgrounds, and this is a simple way to work around it. Just because it's showed on the feed does not mean it is also going to show up on your Instagram profile. In your profile, it is going to be completely normal, and the white background is not going to show up. It will simply show up in the full resolution over here. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.